Good evening. So it is a Saturday night and I am in Bolton, Ontario, which is a very small town just outside of Toronto. And for some reason I took this shift, which I don't think I should have, because it's going to be a very, very, very quiet night, I think. This is Skip the Dishes, and the original shift was supposed to be 6:45 to 10 p.m. And then all of a sudden I got this notice on the app saying, hey, check in now because there's orders waiting. So I checked in an hour early, so 5:45. Got a phone call from Skip the Dishes, and I'll put it here.
Hi there, my name is Francis with Skip the Dishes. How are you doing?
Good.
Perfect. Sorry for bothering you. We just decided to follow up in regards to your shift that starts at 5:45. It's extremely busy at the moment, and we're wondering if you want to start early.
Well, I guess I could do it. Do you want me to do it with pants on or with the pants off? Because if it requires pants on, it's going to take an extra few minutes.
Okay. Just to get you right, will you be good to go around 5:20?
Well, considering it's 5:15 and it takes me 20 minutes to get there, I don't think that's going to happen.
Okay, then I'll leave things as it is. Feel free to check in when ready, okay?
Okay, thanks. And I still got to put on pants.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye. Okay, so what happened was they wanted me to come here early, so I rushed over here early. I'm here early. It's now 6 o'clock. There's a man there in a purple tuxedo. And I don't think I caught it on camera. Sorry. Wow. So let me give a quick little rundown of Bolton. In Bolton, it's a nice little town. I really like it here. I think it's, it's just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Toronto. There's a lot to do around the area. There's some awesome mountain biking hills up the street called Albion Hills. I like riding there, or used to like riding there. You got some fairly big cities surrounding it, but it still has a nice small town feel. Now, the action in Bolton on a Saturday night is hanging out at George's Convenience, where people line up to buy lotto tickets. So, that's where I am right now, just waiting for something to pop up on my shift while I twiddle my thumbs. Twiddle, twiddle, twiddle. I really should have brought a book. So I'm probably going to be sitting here for a while. 6:06. Nothing's happening. Just hanging out in the Walmart parking lot. Yeah, I should have brought a book. Or at least my computer so I could have edited these videos or done something. Oh well. Maybe I'll just put a time lapse in here with some cool music and it'll be like a music video. If that's the case, and it's like that way all night, then I apologize for the next 4 hours of time-lapse videos. 4 hours. Okay, so while I was out lollygagging, taking pictures of crap, we got an order. So I get to use my pizza bag. Which one am I taking? This road? Let's go across this bridge that I've been taking pictures of. Okay, pretty excited about it because, well, it's a cash order. I get to use my pizza bag. I'm paying them 28 something for this pizza, and I'm collecting, I think, 37 or something like that. I do have some change on me, so we should be good. Okay, 6:39. So that took me almost 1 hour of doing nothing before I got my first order. 1 hour, not even 54 minutes, whatever it may be. It's a good thing I'm easily entertained, but I should have brought a book.
Skip the dishes?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know if it's ready. Hold on.
That's okay, because I don't know what the order is.
Okay. Table 2's ready, sir.
Okay, 7 o'clock. One order. So that was pizza delivered, and I made $8.69 off it, plus about a $4 tip, $3.93 or something. So 12 bucks for that over an hour. It's nothing too spectacular, that is for sure, but it's not like there's anything else going on. Quiet. Okay, it's really quiet. I'm pretty much gonna call this a night, I think, because this is just starting to piss me off. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try cheating for a little while. Yes, cheating. So I have, as you can see, I have the skip the dishes open. There's my 867, and I also have UberEats open. Now it's showing a surge of 1.4 from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So I'm basically going to just hang out here until I get one order or another and see what happens. If I don't get anything by 8 o'clock though, I'm going to call skip the dishes and just tell them to shove it, I think. Because this is just ridiculous. Okay, got an order. Cash, of course it is. Pay $50.34 in cash. That's a crazy big order. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm at Popeyes. I'm gonna do the order right now, but what I did was I shut off the UberEats so that I don't get one of those orders while I'm actually doing this one. So I am here, parked at restaurant. Now, $50, it's a pretty big order. I have the cash, no big deal. And the plus side is if you do get screwed on the order, they reimburse you. So hopefully that won't happen. Okay, let's go inside the restaurant and get this going. Hello, how are you? That's a lot of Popeyes. Are you?
There you go. Give me change.
You're good?
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
That's everything?
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you
Thanks,
so much,
dude.
bro.
See you later.
Have a good one, bro.
You too, man. Oh, I think the battery's starting to die. Okay, so that was $58.47. The dude gave me $20.40.60. That's a 10. So that's an $11 tip. $11. Add that to the collection. That makes me pretty happy. But there's a party going on here, I think. Okay, so I'm going to 8 o'clock. It's so slow right now, I don't think I want to wait around till 10 o'clock. It's just, there's nothing for me to do. I mean, like I said, I could be doing something else with my time. So I think I'm gonna go back to the downtown area, and I might wait an extra half hour to like 8:30 or so. But we shall see. Maybe to pick up. That's, you know, I can't complain about $11 tip. It's a nice little bonus right there. That was actually very generous of the guy. So, and my battery's almost dead on this camera. This is a GoPro Hero 5 session, in case you're wondering. Recording at 60 frames per second in 1080. A wide lens. Okay, I started the night with $72 and I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So I'm definitely up there. I said 72, didn't I? Okay, so it looks like it's about 8:30 or so. So I'm gonna call it a night. I called Skip the Dishes and I made up a story about me getting a flat tire, and I called it a night. So I think I did about $17.50 over those 2 orders. Plus I think I made math here. And I got better things to do with my time. So that's my plan. I'm just gonna call it a night and just go home and relax. It's a Saturday night. It's a beautiful night. So I'd rather go spend it with my kids and my wife, and maybe take the dog for a walk. But that's about it. So hopefully you will consider this when you're driving for UberEats in a small, not UberEats, when you're driving for Skip the Dishes in a small town. It can be slow. I think you would be better off going to UberEats or Skip the Dishes, but in a larger city, because these small towns are dead empty and there's nothing going on here. But that's about it, man. Enjoy your night. If you like these kind of videos, leave a thumbs up. You know how to subscribe, share, give it to your friends, and hopefully we shall talk again. Thanks. Oh wait, let me read what they told me to say here. I am drinking this drink of my own free will. I am not sponsored by Booster Juice at all. This is not a sponsored ad. Tell them how much you like it. Drink a bit. Smile. Thumbs up. It's good. Ugh. Thank God it was free.